Hey, so today we're looking at some legato exercises. I use legato in my playing all the time, which basically means that you're basing a lot of the play off of hammer-ons and pull-offs as opposed to picking as much as possible. So essentially, when you can, pick once per string to be the most legato as possible. So we'll be looking at 6 different variations or exercises that I like to use all the time. And once those variations are comfortable, the idea is to apply them to all the scales you know, particularly 3-note per string scales. That's where this comes in most handy, at least with these exercises. So we have 4 variations, and the last 2 variations are going to be combinations of the first 4, where we just mix and match some of them together. So altogether, the idea here is we're doing everything on the D string and G string for the sake of the exercises, using frets 5, 7, and 9, which is a little bit of a stretch. You could always take that 5, 7, and 9 all whole steps and move it up farther so that the stretch is smaller. But that's what we're going to do it here for the video. Variation number 1, we'll start with, is going straight up the numbers. 5, 7, 9, and then 5, 7, 9 on the G. Now, when you do this, it's kind of up to you with your picking hand. If you want to pick both strings, pick, or even downstroke, upstroke. When I'm doing it, I'm using hybrid picking, which is an option if you can try if you want to, which is in this case, a downward pick on the D string, and then a middle finger pluck on the G string. And we're going for a 16th note feel here. We're going for a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. And the general thing that's hard to not do here is fall into the triplet feel. Because there's 3 notes per string, it's easy to make the mistake. Well, not the mistake. In this case, it would be a mistake because the exercise is for 16th notes. But the common feel is to fall into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, triplet, which we're going to try to avoid here. And we're shooting for 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and which is going to feel a little weird. I recommend trying to do it with a click until it feels comfortable and slowly work the speed up. So we're going to be working here with the click at 60 beats per minute. Let's take a look at variation 1. So take your time with those, work them very, very slow. If you need to, don't even turn the metronome on at first. Just get a feel for the mechanics of how to do the hammer-ons and the pull-offs without accidentally bumping other strings and trying to keep everything as quiet as you can. If it feels like it's coming along good, we can up the speed, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the backing track from the previous post from quick riff number 7. All of these riffs or variations will work nicely over that backing track if you're comfortable with the speed. So now we're going to look at these things up to a little bit higher of a tempo with the backing track.